What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute, but I'm here with some good ass energy, so take it. Finna make something all from scratch inside of FL Studio 21, so let's get it and work with me, you feel me? All the sounds that I'm using and the themes are in the description, so feel free to check that out. Let's get it. Ooh, I kind of like this. This is like some standard industry type of melody. So let's record that in there. Let me know if you're back in town. Yeah, let me know. Oh my days, I'm feeling this. And then for the second part, so let's just copy that over. For the second part, we're going to add some extra notes. Some like extra variation in there, you feel me? For effects, what we're going to add is maybe some Valhalla delay, just to like spice it up a little bit more. So I like to put this on duct tape and the ducking around like 50 to 70%. And then the style ping pong, that way it's like moving left and right. Like it's really subtle. You can add a little bit of reverb as well. Right, that sounded nice though. Like this could be cool for like a little variation, the like harder chords. Shit. Shit. Oh my days, this beat is gassing me up, bro. I don't know what it is, bro. Shit. Oh my days, the 808 for the smack. Yeah, sure. Baby, you're the cut. Na 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 no. Hey. Na 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 no. Shut it to the back. Hey, hey, hey. Let's go. Let's go. Fire beat. We made this in 25 minutes. That's pretty decent for an early morning cook up. You feel me? I'm feeling fresh, feeling clean. I hope this video gave you some good ass energy and I hope you are motivated. Hope you especially learned from this. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Subscribe if you are new and I will see you in the next video.